Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite lunch. Broccoli with prawn. First, boil the water for broccoli. Then we need some broccoli and prawn. Yummy! Put the broccoli into hot water for a few minutes. Make sure the broccoli is rinsed properly. Dip and rinse in hot water. Then drain it. Then leave it for a while. In a bowl, put some light soy sauce, a few drops of ketchup, and some sugar, salt and pepper. And put some water in it. Then prepare onion, garlic, and ginger. Prepare the pan and add some oil. Add the ginger, onion, and garlic. Cook for a while and let it be golden brown. It smells yummy. Now add the prawn. Cook it for a while. When the prawn is half cooked, add in the broccoli. Mix it. Add in the sauce. Add sesame oil. Now it's ready. It smells so good. Serve in a plate. With rice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.